Hey guys, how's it going? Now, when it comes to making smartphones, especially for the budget category, Realme has been absolutely being phenomenal. I mean, they have some amazing smartphones that really offer amazing value for money with great performance. But even then, they also have the Narzo lineup that even further offers better value for money while still maintaining the same high standards of performance. And just like that, Realme has now launched the Narzo 60 5G, which is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6020 5G processor. So, what does this device offer? And should you opt for it? Let's find out. This is Vaughn from Guiding Tech, and you're watching my video on the Realme Narzo 60 5G. Let's get started. Alright, so let's just start off by talking about the design here. Now, of course, the main highlight of this design is this camera module, which was definitely made famous by the Realme 11 Pro when it launched. And it's nice to see that the Realme Narzo series also has this thing. So what happens is that because of its unique look, the device definitely stands out, and it does not look similar to all the other smartphones out there that have a very, basic kind of a camera layout. This one definitely looks very unique. Now, adding to the unique part, you also get a nice vegan leather finish in a fresh Mars orange color. With that being said, if you want, there is also a cosmic black color variant too. You also get a high gloss frame around the body that looks very flashy and it's quite durable. Also, it is a flat edge design, which I'm sure a lot of you guys would definitely prefer. In fact, here's the thing. It literally stands on its own. That is how well balanced and how flat this design is. And despite all of these features, the phone weighs just 183 grams. And of course, a big reason for this phone weighing so lightweight is the fact that it comes with an AMOLED display. So let's just talk about the display. It's a 6.43-inch Samsung AMOLED panel with a 90Hz refresh rate. It has a high brightness mode of 600 nits and a peak brightness of 1000 nits. Now what's more is that the Narzo 60 5G makes use of a diamond arrangement of its LEDs underneath, which is basically more advanced than the traditional RGBW arrangements. Now as a result, you get higher brightness, better uniformity, and better color performance. There's also the Rhino low blue light certification as well. Also, to make unlocking easier, there's an in-display fingerprint scanner too, which also can be used as a heart rate sensor. As for entertainment, you also get Widevine L1 certification out of the box, so whether it's Netflix or Prime Video or basically any other OTT application, you can enjoy your shows at the highest resolution. And while you do get a dual speaker here with Dolby Atmos, Realme also provides you with a 200% Ultra Boom speaker feature. Basically, if you feel that the volume is a little low, you can just crank it all the way up and enjoy the sound. As for gamers, there's a 180 Hz of touch sampling rate and an instant touch sampling of 1000 Hz. So at the end of the day, your gaming experience will be top notch, just like your normal day-to-day usage would be. Now, of course, your gaming experience or basically any other experience or basically the entire performance of a smartphone primarily depends on the processor. And this thing is backed by the MediaTek Dimensity 6020 processor. It's an 8-core processor, of which 2 are 2.2 GHz ARM Cortex A76 cores for superb performance, while the rest of the cores ensure that you have maximum efficiency and longer battery life. And while the phone comes with 8 GB of RAM, you also get an extra 8 GB of virtual RAM. And of course, the benchmarks are on your screen and they are some of the best numbers that we've seen in this price segment, all thanks to the MediaTek Dimensity 6020 processor. Of course, aiding the gaming performance is the MediaTek Hyper Engine 3.0 Lite. That is one of the technologies powered by the Dimensity 6020 processor. Basically, it offers viable gaming enhancements that provide longer gameplay, a faster network response, and more reliable connectivity to ensure that gamers stay always connected. Also, keeping things running is Realme UI 4.0, which is based on Android 13. Now, in my experience so far, I haven't faced any bugs, and the whole user experience has been quite smooth. But it's not just the core performance that is impacted by the Dimensity 6020 processor. In fact, it also uplifts the overall camera output of this phone. See, the phone itself packs in a 64MP primary shooter and a 16MP selfie shooter. Now, I've been using the device for a bit now and the camera samples are on your screen. Now, for the most part, they are quite detailed thanks to the high resolution camera. As for the colors, they are pretty much natural with a slight tint of saturation which actually enhances the photos. The HDR performance here is pretty good, and even when the lights are dim or if you're talking about low light performance, the Realme Narzo 60 does not disappoint at all. Now, one highlight feature here is the super photo feature, which basically ensures that if you're taking a group photo of up to 10 people, the phone will ensure everyone's face is well detailed and has a proper texture. There's also the 2x zoom feature where it shows you the center 16MP part of the full 64MP shot. Now, as a result, it just makes capturing zoom shots a lot more easier. Also, thanks to the Dimensity 6020 processor, you get 27% faster advanced noise reduction along with 5 times faster dedicated facial recognition. So yeah, at the end of the day, not only are your photos better looking, they're also processed a lot more faster thanks to the processor underneath. Now, in terms of battery life, the Realme Narzo 65G comes with a 5000 mAh battery, which easily lasts more than a full day of heavy usage. Add to that, as I highlighted, the Dimensity 6020 processor is a very efficient processor as well. So, regardless of how you push it, you won't really have to worry about the battery percentage till the end of the day. And as far as charging is concerned, the phone supports 33 watt SuperVOOC charging, and the charger is provided inside the box. So yeah, all in all, the Realme Narzo 65G seems to be the complete package. You get a great design coupled with a nice camera and long battery life and a nice to use Android skin. For performance, the MediaTek Dimensity 6020 is a fantastic processor for this price segment, and it also enhances the camera performance too. And well, that was it. As always, you can find the best offers and the buying links down there in the description box. Also, if you have any questions regarding this device, make sure to sound off down in the comments below. And if you like this video, then make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more awesome tech content. Till then, this is one from Guiding Tech, and I'll see you in the next one.